15 most mysterious places on Earth that still puzzle the world. Intro. Imagine standing in a place where compasses fail to function. Unusual sounds seem to echo through the air, and even scientists do not have all the answers. Our planet is filled with breathtaking landscapes, but some locations are surrounded by mysteries that continue to intrigue researchers and travelers alike. From ancient monuments to remote islands and unusual natural phenomena, these places have inspired legends, scientific inquiry, and ongoing debate. Today, we will explore 15 of the most mysterious places on Earth. Stay until the end, because the final location is one of the most famous and widely debated mysteries in the world. Welcome to Hidden Verse. Let's begin. 15. The Nazca Lines, Peru. High above the desert of southern Peru lie the enormous geoglyphs known as the Nazca Lines. They include giant depictions of birds, spiders, monkeys, and geometric patterns stretching across the landscape. What makes them so mysterious is that many of these designs are best appreciated from the sky. Since they were created nearly 2,000 years ago, people have long wondered how their creators planned such massive figures with remarkable precision. Researchers have proposed several explanations. Some believe the lines held ceremonial or religious significance. Others suggest they may have marked routes connected to water sources or astronomical observations. While evidence supports multiple theories, no single explanation has been universally accepted. Even today, the Nazca Lines remain one of archaeology's greatest mysteries. 14. Easter Island, Chile. Far out in the Pacific Ocean lies one of the world's most isolated inhabited islands. Easter Island is renowned for its hundreds of massive stone statues, known as moai. Some weigh many tons, yet they were carved and transported centuries ago without modern machinery. How did the island's inhabitants move these enormous statues across difficult terrain? Experiments suggest several methods may have worked, including moving them upright with ropes, but historians still debate exactly how this was accomplished on such a large scale. Beyond the engineering challenge, the island's history also raises questions about how its society changed over time. The silent faces of the moai continue to overlook the island, reminding us how much of the past remains unknown. 13. The Door to Hell, Turkmenistan. In the middle of the Karakum Desert burns a giant crater that has been on fire for decades. Known as the Door to Hell, this fiery pit was created after a natural gas field collapsed. To prevent dangerous gas from spreading, it is widely reported that the gas was ignited with the expectation that it would burn out quickly. Instead, the flames have continued for years. At night, the glowing crater creates an unforgettable sight, attracting visitors and photographers from around the world. Although scientists understand why the crater burns, it still feels almost otherworldly, like a gateway to another realm. 12. Devil's Kettle, United States. Deep within a forest in Minnesota, a waterfall appears to perform an impossible trick. Part of the river flows normally downstream, while another part disappears into a large hole in the rocks known as the Devil's Kettle. For years, people wondered where the missing water went. Researchers eventually conducted dye and flow studies, leading many scientists to conclude that the water rejoins the river underground. Even with that explanation, watching half a waterfall vanish into the earth remains an astonishing sight that continues to capture the imagination. 11. Socotra Island, Yemen. Imagine stepping onto an island where the trees resemble giant umbrellas and the landscape feels more like another planet than Earth. Socotra Island is home to many unique plants and animals found nowhere else. The famous dragon blood tree, with its unusual shape and red sap, has become a symbol of the island. Because of its long isolation, evolution followed a very different path here, creating an environment unlike almost anywhere else on Earth. Visitors often describe the island as surreal, proving that nature itself can create wonders more extraordinary than fiction. 10. The Bermuda Triangle, Atlantic Ocean. For decades, the Bermuda Triangle has captured the world's imagination. This region, roughly between Florida, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, is often associated with stories of missing ships and aircraft. Many books and television programs have described unexplained disappearances, leading to theories involving magnetic anomalies, unusual weather, or even extraterrestrial activity. However, researchers point out that many reported incidents have ordinary explanations, including storms, navigational errors, and mechanical failures. While the legend has grown over time, the mystery remains one of the most famous in modern culture. Whether fact or folklore, the Bermuda Triangle continues to fascinate millions. 9. Stonehenge, England. Standing on a quiet plain in southern England is one of history's greatest engineering achievements. Stonehenge consists of enormous stones arranged in a circular pattern. Some were transported from surprisingly long distances, raising questions about how ancient people accomplished such an incredible task. Experts believe Stonehenge may have served ceremonial, astronomical, or religious purposes. Yet no one knows its exact original function. Thousands of years later, these silent stones continue to guard their secrets. 8. Blood Falls, Antarctica. Imagine discovering a waterfall that appears to flow with blood. Hidden within Antarctica, Blood Falls pours deep red water from beneath a glacier. Although the color looks frightening, scientists explain that it comes from iron-rich water. When the iron reaches the air, it rusts, creating the dramatic red appearance. Even with this explanation, the frozen landscape makes Blood Falls look like something from another world. 7. The Plain of Jars, Laos. Across the hills of Laos lie thousands of giant stone jars. Some weigh several tons and were carved over 2,000 years ago. Who built them? Why were they created? And how were they transported without modern machinery? One leading theory suggests they were connected to ancient burial practices, but many questions remain unanswered. These mysterious jars continue to puzzle archaeologists. 6. The Rick-Hat structure, Mauritania. From the ground, it looks like ordinary desert. But from space, the Rick-Hat structure appears as a gigantic circular formation stretching for nearly 40 kilometers. Because of its unique appearance, some people once believed it could be the lost city of Atlantis. Today, geologists explain it as a natural geological formation shaped over millions of years. Even so, its perfect circular design continues to amaze scientists and astronauts alike. 5. Mount Roraima, Venezuela, Brazil, and Guyana. Rising high above the surrounding rainforest, Mount Roraima looks like a giant stone island floating in the clouds. Its flat summit has remained isolated for millions of years, allowing unique plants and animals to evolve. Constant mist and towering cliffs make it one of Earth's most mysterious landscapes. Many believe this mountain inspired the idea of the lost world. 4. The Catacombs of Paris, France. Beneath the busy streets of Paris lies a vast underground tunnel network containing the remains of millions of people. These tunnels stretch for hundreds of kilometers. Only a small portion is open to visitors. The deeper sections remain restricted, adding to the mystery surrounding this underground labyrinth. 3. The Eye of the Sahara. Also known as the Rick-Hat structure, this enormous circular formation is so large it can easily be seen from space. Although science explains its geological origin, its almost perfect shape has inspired countless myths and theories. Even astronauts use it as a landmark while orbiting Earth. 2. The Door to Hell, Darvaza gas crater. Few places on Earth are as dramatic as this burning crater. For decades, flames have continued to rise from the ground day and night. Standing near its edge feels like looking into another world. It remains one of the planet's most unforgettable natural sights. 1. Area 51, United States. Our final destination is perhaps the most famous mysterious location in the world. Area 51 is a highly restricted military facility that has fueled speculation for decades. Because of its secrecy, countless theories have emerged involving advanced aircraft and extraterrestrial technology. Publicly available information confirms it has been used for testing classified aircraft, but many stories surrounding the base remain unverified. Whether the legends are true or not, Area 51 continues to be one of Earth's greatest modern mysteries. Our world is still filled with places that challenge our understanding and inspire endless curiosity. Some mysteries eventually receive scientific explanations, while others continue to raise new questions. Which mysterious place fascinated you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Hidden Verse, and turn on notifications so you never miss another adventure into the world's greatest mysteries. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and remember, sometimes the greatest mysteries are the ones we have yet to discover.